Let your garden grow effortlessly, where each plant receives the right amount of water without the stress of daily maintenance. With precision watering, moisture is delivered directly to the roots, minimizing waste and eliminating your worry of overwatering. Now, this means that you can enjoy a vibrant garden without the hassle of remembering when to water. Whether you're caring for 15 pots or a mix of 7 pots and 3 planters, tailored watering solutions take the guesswork out of garden care, boosting plant health and using water efficiently. Now, for added flexibility, expansion sets allow you to extend your system to cover up to an extra 5 pots and 4 planters, ensuring that each plant gets the hydration it needs. By adopting these clever techniques, you can reduce water loss by up to 70%, saving money while promoting a sustainable garden. And when it's time for a well-deserved holiday, you can take comfort in knowing that your plants will be cared for. An automated system provides consistent hydration, keeping your plants happy and healthy while you relax. Experience precision watering with the Gardena Micro Drip System. With water-efficient solutions, every drop counts.